There it is. Inside the cave on this side. This is the Black Beach. I guess that's what it's called. Look at that. We got the cave over here. Nice big spiral of rock out in the water. Obviously a very popular destination. Picture time. Smile for the camera. We're just pointing out, if you look carefully, from left to right, you can see a little bit of the curved surface of the earth on the water. Very minor, but you can see it. And this beach is very dangerous. I see people get washed away here. Many people have died here because they get sucked out by a random wave. These volcanic rock here is pretty amazing. Look at that. Let's go get a closer look. You guys want to come up here? Do a wide angle on the lens there as we get closer. Pretty cool. You having fun here, Mom?
Yeah.
It's a little windy, a little chilly.
Yeah.
This is pretty cool.
There's no wind down there.
No wind on the other side? Alright, let's go around the corner.
But it's calm. People can get stuck on the hike.
Wow, look at that. Oh, there's another cave around the corner. Look at that.
Oh my God.
This is a pretty cool looking cave on this side. I like that. Look at that. I like how these columns just come down and kind of break off on the inside. This is like what the bottom side of these columns look like inside the cave. Pretty cool. There it is. Inside the cave on this side. Here we're on the Black Beach, enjoying the sights. And you gotta enjoy this kind of funky volcanic rock here. Looks like it's like all glued together. Volcanic rock, mud and ash. Really pretty crazy. You see these big boulders here on the beach. Like that. I can just picture this being hurled out of the volcano. This big, huge rock. Big, huge rock over there. And all these all along the beach here. Those two spires out there are pretty interesting for sure. Popular place. The wind takes your breath away up here. So does the view. Way over there you can see the sun shine off the ocean. A little ray of sunshine coming in. But look at that. Nice view from way up here, but very, very windy. And way off over there, you can see the glacier. Zoom in on that glacier. See that right over there, just above the clouds. So what's the name of the glacier? See, I guess I must have butchered it. That is the name of the glacier. The very top. top, lots of wind up here. Ooh. Pretty view though. Yeah, looking over the cliff, it's pretty much straight down here. And with it being so windy, you really don't want to get close to the cliff. Don't want to get blown off, that's for sure. And up here is a big lighthouse. Well, it's not a big lighthouse, but it's a lighthouse. It blocks the wind for just a second there. Ooh, that's kind of nice. Right here in this little spot.
Yeah, no wind.
No wind, hardly. Got a great view of the beach here.